Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how we can make this animation of one of the animations I found in Iman Gadzhi channel. So the point of making these graphics and these, motion graphics videos is to, improve your editing skills, and also, you can reuse it for your videos and your clients' videos. And because these, graphics will take so much time, maybe taking you like few hours, 1 or 2 hours to get it done. But once you have it, you can just have the template, and which is what I will provide you. And in the description, you will have a link for these graphics, so you can just use it for your next video and save a lot of time and making maybe some color changes and fonts and graphics, the main graphics, so you can customize it for your client video. So it will save you a ton of money, and this is something I'm recently making for most of the videos, which is reusing graphics and templates of the professional graphics I built before. And this saves me a lot of time because you don't have to make every single graphic from scratch. It will look great. So this is the graphic.
I've probably spent $5 million on watches, but I've probably made an extra 25 to 30% on my watch portfolio. So yeah.
So first we'll make the main thing, the background, this background and this graphics and this rectangle. You can do composition, new solid, and use gradient trend. Make it blue, dark blue, and this is black or dark blue like this. And then I will go to any website and find this grid in the background. So one of the best, if not the best websites to get the graphics, BNG photos and all, amazing things in this website, which is Robexel. It's paid website, so you will not find, things that you see, generally in videos, but you find great things. You can also search here on Google. So this is a similar one here I found. Drop it here into After Effects. Change the size to be like small like this. And we can just add the CC repeater effect. And you find this problem, which is, this spaces here. Fix that, we will make a composition. And after that, going into the composition and make sure to have only the grid like this. After that, come to the region of interest. But we can add, because this you see this plus here is in black color, so we'll have to add fill color and make it all white like this, so it will look probably better like this. Now moving forward to make this rectangle with a good stroke, but we will add the gradient, this 4-color gradient. So we will make them blue, and one will be black. After that, we will add the stroke, but we will add outer glue. We can increase it, make it white. Now we can make these rounded edges, and now we can add this text here. Change the font to be something better. Maybe this, we'll make it a little bit blue like this. And after that, adding the glue effect. Like this. And for this, this animation, for the animation of the text, we will use this AE viewer plugin. If you need it, just drop a comment below and I'll send you the document or the drive of how you install it. Go to presets, and this plugin is amazing for the text animations and icons, a lot of stuff here. We will use this one. Hold, and so you find this N. and because you see it came from the very bottom here, so we will decrease this position to be like this, and we will add these blur, make two keyframes. The second keyframe will be 0 and first one will be, we will add more like this. We'll make this counter, you know. First, you see there is something here. So there was a mask on the text. Okay, make it white color, and now we add this effect of the decoder, this decoder fade in, make it faster and less intensity. We can decrease this character offset, make it faster. Now we add a mask here into one, invert the mask, and after that we will add this, something like counter 2, 3, 4. I don't know the number, to be 5. At 5, add a space between these, text, so we'll increase this thing here. After that, adding a mask, which will be like shape here, to be big, a little bit bigger, and after that, making a mask into the shape like this, increasing the feather. After that, having this, track matte to the shape, changing the position of the numbers until it goes to 5, like this. But we will have it starting, from here, maybe increasing the font size like this. You see there is a glue here, and you can see that there is maybe a gradient ramp. You can add make a composition of all of these layers, so we can add the same effects. Drop the gradient ramp, make it white like this, adding the same glue effect, maybe decreasing the glue a little bit. And after that, we will have the 3D layer, make it downloadable, and I think we can get something like this just because it's free, but because we have, I'm trying to use the free resources as possible. You can get this GLB. First, we will make the position and the rotation changes, so it will come from the bottom like this, and it will be like this, a little bit faster. F9. When it come up, we will still have to make it still rotation, still having some rotation like this. Make a composition, mask it with this shape we duplicated, get it a little bit, like this. Duplicate the shape, duplicate this watch, no matte, make no matte, there is no masks, and just get this part mask, which is at the top of the shape, so it will be like this. And after that, we will add this final text. We can use this fucking font. Now once the watch come up, we will add this effect from the same plugin, which is this one, decreasing this amount a little bit more. Now we have to center all these graphics, and we will add the final things, which is the overall look, which is with there is shadow here, there were like Windows shadow.
وجعل وجعلنا السماء سقفا محفوظا وهم عن آياتها معرضون وهو الذي خلق الليل والنهار والشمس والقمر كل في فلك يسبحون وما جعلنا لبشر من قبلك الخلد أفإن مت فهم الخالدون كل نفس ذائقة الموت كل نفس ذائقة الموت ونبلوكم بالشر والخير فتنة وإلينا ترجعون كل نفس ذائقة الموت ونبلوكم بالشر والخير فتنة وإلينا ترجعون وإذا رآك الذين كفروا إن يتخذونك إلا هزوا أهذا الذي يذكر آلهتكم وهم بذكر الرحمن هم كافرون خلق الإنسان من عجل سأريكم آياتي فلا تستعجلون ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين لو يعلم الذين كفروا حين لا يكفون عن وجوههم النار ولا عن ظهورهم ولا هم ينصرون بل تأتيهم بغتة فتبهتهم فلا يستطيعون ردها ولا هم ينظرون ولقد استهزئ برسل من قبلك
How you name it, add this transform, cut the layer maybe from here, increase the scale and make it adding position keyframe, make it move like this, make this F9, make it faster at the middle. After that, cut the layer, maybe adding some other final touches into the geometric, maybe geometrical, maybe some glue effect on the adding maybe vignette. So guys, this is our tutorial, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any graphic or something you want me to make, and after that you can use it into your videos, or maybe just learn how to make it, drop a comment below. And thanks for this watching, and see you in the next video.